Hello there, this is ESP12E. Yes, this is the same chip we can see in Node MCU and Wemos D1 Mini. This is the one of the cheapest microcontroller with Wi-Fi, and we can get one of this for $1 or 100 rupees. It has enough GPUs for smaller projects and is easy to solder in PCB. Okay, but the problem is, in order to program this, we need a USB to TTL converter or similar programmer. Not only that, we need to set the ESP12 to programming mode like this. That means a lot of resistors are needed, and also this is not breadboard friendly. So to program this easily, I made this programmer. With this, we can program ESP12 like this, and also we can program other onboard ESP12 and other microcontrollers. So in this video, let's see how I built this. Let's get started with this video. To make the PCB, first I designed the circuit using ECEDA. As I said earlier, I added the necessary components for the ESP12. Then I added a CH340C IC as a USB to TTL converter. To place the ESP12, I included the 2mm pin headers. After designing the circuit, I converted it into a PCB and designed the PCB like this. You can download the circuit diagram from our website. This is the final look of our PCB. Now I downloaded the Gerber file and went to JLCPCB for PCB fabrication. From JLCPCB, you will get 5 high quality PCBs for just $2. They also have PCB assembly, mechanical part sourcing, 3D printing, etc. To order our PCB, click on order now and upload the Gerber file. Then select quantity, thickness, color, etc. Then provide the shipping address and select the shipping method. Finally, place the order. After 7 days, I received the PCBs from JLCPCB. As always, the PCB quality is perfect and looks nice. Now I grabbed all the components and soldered the components to the PCB. I finished the soldering in just 10 minutes and our PCB looks like this. Now I placed an ESP12 and connected a USB cable to the computer. Everything is working properly. You can download the circuit diagram and buy this programmer from our website if you want. Link is given in the video description. I hope you got some new ideas and enjoyed the video. If so, please consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. That's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.